I finally found some new parents. Adopt me, Daddy. Hey, yo! What the hell? If you want to live here, you will obey our laws. No gaming, no music, no phone, no friends, and no Oreos. What? Please subscribe now so my parents drop these rules. Thanks, homies. This can't be our fridge. There's nothing in it. Guys, please like the video so your boy has some food. Yes, sir. Big mistake, Tubby. You're grounded forever. Ah! Get off me, bro. You're grounded until we say otherwise. Ha! Those weirdos forgot to take my phone. What should I do?